Let us not update to 121.3 in Forge. 121 Minecraft modding course is available down below, with over 11 hours of content covering everything from the basics all the way to block entities and custom mobs. Alright, fans, back in Intelligence War, and I'm going to tell you why you should not update to 1.21.3. And yes, this is not actually a tutorial on how to update. I mean, this is the pre-program project that I have where I basically, test everything so everything is going to work for the tutorials. Now you can see a lot of stuff is red. I actually genuinely don't know why this is the case. It worked before, so, that's another thing. But basically there's multiple methods and fields that still are completely like, they all look like this, M underscore whatever. So like a bunch of numbers underscore. So basically they're not mapped, right? Those are unmapped methods. There's unmapped functions. There are it's a whole mess. I'm unable to get it to work, and basically I genuinely recommend, now to be fair, this might be fixed in the future, right? So it depends on when you're watching this. When it comes out, it might already be fixed. When you're watching this like 2 months in the future, it might well be fixed. That is absolutely, I basically bank on that it's going to be fixed at some point, but right now I'm unable to do this, and I want to continue the tutorials on 1.21.1 anyway. So basically we're not going to update, number one. Number two, on this, I highly recommend you stay on 1.21.1 if you're Forge only anyway, because it makes zero sense. I'm pretty sure that most mods are not going to update to 1.21.3. They are all going to wait until 1.22. That is my personal opinion on this. I think a little bit of an educated guess here, but yeah, that's basically the whole idea, and that's literally all that this video is, right? I just wanted to show you that it's basically, it might be possible, but I just don't recommend it. Don't update. The same thing goes, by the way, for NeoForge and Fabric. Even though there are going to be update videos there, I will say the same thing. You should not update. I advise against it. I will still show it for those two because there it's possible for both of the other mod loaders. But yeah, here in this case, it's not possible. So for the time being, that's going to be it for this tutorial right here. Next time in this video, well, that's when we talk about custom enchantments. Hope to see you there. So yeah.